On a bustling coral reef, among the chaos of predators and prey, there exists a creature with a peculiar routine. This is the long-fin damfish. It doesn't hunt in the open water or forage far from home. Instead, it spends its entire adult life meticulously curating a small, personal patch of rock. To a casual observer, it might look like it's just nibbling, but look closer. This isn't just eating, it's gardening. The fish is tending a specific species of red algae, its preferred food source, creating a private, sustainable food plot in the middle of a vast, competitive ocean. What separates this from simple grazing? The damfish actively removes, or weeds, other types of algae that try to invade its farm. It systematically plucks out the competition, ensuring its prized crop has the space and resources to thrive. Furthermore, this small fish is fiercely territorial. It will aggressively chase away creatures hundreds of times its size, like parrotfish and surgeonfish that dare to approach its garden. Cultivation, weeding, and defense of a food source. Are these not the fundamental pillars of what we call agriculture? This strategy of cultivating a single, preferred food source is not unique to the damfish. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, leafcutter ants are engaged in a similar, yet far more complex operation. Millions of them work in unison, not to eat the leaves they carry, but to feed them to something else. Inside their subterranean nests are vast, cavernous chambers filled with a pulsating white fungus. The ants are fungus farmers. They provide the fungus with chewed-up leaves, protect it from pests, and meticulously manage the environment to ensure a perfect harvest, which is their sole source of food. Farming, then, isn't just about an external plot of land. It can be a hidden chamber, or even smaller. Consider the Hawaiian bobtail squid, a tiny creature of the nocturnal sea. It doesn't glow on its own. Instead, it houses a very specific type of bacteria, Vibrio fischeri, inside a specialized light organ. Each night, the squid uses this bacterial light to camouflage itself against the moonlight, avoiding predators below. Every morning, it expels about 95% of the bacteria, ensuring only the strongest remain to repopulate its internal farm for the next night. It's a form of microbial husbandry. This raises a curious question. Where does farming end and mutualism begin? In Central America, acacia trees are often covered in aggressive ants. The tree provides the ants with specialized hollow thorns for shelter and produces protein-rich food bodies just for them to eat. In return, the ants act as a living army, swarming and attacking any herbivore that tries to eat the tree's leaves. So, is the ant farming the tree for food and shelter, or is the tree farming the ants for protection? Perhaps both are cultivating each other. Which brings us back to our damsfish and its patch of red algae. We see a fish managing its food source. But from the algae's point of view, what is happening? It is being protected from all grazers. Its competitors are being diligently removed by a tireless caretaker. It is guaranteed a safe space to reproduce and thrive. In exchange for sacrificing a small portion of itself as food, it has gained a powerful guardian. This relationship didn't appear overnight. It is the result of millions of years of coevolution. We may be the only species that calls it farming, but nature has been practicing it all along. Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks. Yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.